Today I'm looking at an item that Hotop did send to me, and to do a review, it did compensate me to make this video. So what is this? This is an adapter you need if you don't have a common C wire to power your Wi-Fi thermostat, or Sensei, or Nest, or Ecobee, or Wise, or all those thermostats that need that C wire, that constant power to run that either your Wi-Fi and your connection. It always has to be powered, and a lot of the older ones that take batteries won't work. You need to have something like this. This is a 24-volt power supply that actually runs like a C wire, like a common C. Very easy to do, very easy to install. You basically plug this in. They give you a lot of wire. You can run it on the baseboard. They give you little tack pins, or little tie down little pins to they like staple it down with little nails. You just tack it down. That's what they're, little tack downs. So you can run them on the baseboard, you can run them on the side, which is really, really thoughtful. I think that's really, really nice. They gave you these. So what it is, it's basically, like I said, it's an adapter, AC to AC adapter. It's a class 2 transformer. Basically, it's a transformer. It's a 24-volt transformer. C wire, that's what that is for. This is designed for thermostats really only. That's what you would use this for. Comes with a 16.5-foot cord, as you can see here. It comes with that, and it comes with all the tie downs, all the little pins to staple it down or connect it down. And if you're really good, you can run it in the wall. If you're really smart, and you can put this in the corner somewhere if you're really not handy doing that. So this is really, really nice. I want to show you what they look like. It's a standard plug in any household outlet, and usually if you have a thermostat that has this type of connection here, you can see here, very, very common that you have to hook it up to the C wire connection. Now you'll always look at the diagram and you'll say, well, what does the C wire mean? What does that all mean? How do I know if it's the C wire? Usually it'll say marked RC, and one side will say C. That's why they call it C wire. So one side will be RC, another side over here will be C, and that is the C wire. So you have to make sure you get those two connections correct to make sure your thermostat will work. Again, will work compatible with most thermostats. Like I said, Ecobee is probably the most readily one. I'm going to actually use this for my daughters. I'm going to help her. I'm going to install this on hers. She needs it. She does not have power there, and they can't get to it easily. So this is a really good solution if you don't have power. Now I'm just going to put up my I'm going to show you a good quality, really high quality made, really nice. So this will give you the source. It's almost like a battery, but it'll give you a really high quality 24-volt connection, constant, which is really important. So I have my meter here, my multimeter, and I'm going to show you on the meter exactly what's coming out of it. So you can see. That's why you're watching the video, to see what's happening here. So I'm going to hook up my little connectors here. I'm going to plug this in, and on the meter you're going to see in 1 second what's coming out of this transformer. Okay. Now you can see what's coming out of here is 26 volts. So 24, 26, 25, right around there. That's fine. This is actually perfect. 26 volts. It's set for 24, but 26 is absolutely fine. It does work exactly as intended. You can see when they plugged it in, I'm going to unplug it. You're going to see dropped off to 0. I'm going to plug it back in again. Boom, right back up to 24, 25, 26. That's small variation, not a big deal whatsoever. So it does work. It works exactly as intended. I'm definitely going to give this a 5-star rating because it's high quality. It's exactly it's just described on the site, which is really important. It does have the 2 connectors here that come out here. You can see these are the 2 wires that you plug into your thermostat, so they're already tinned and already have a little solder on it. You just pop those right in. Really easy to do, and it works really, really well. That's what I have for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do appreciate that. Follow the channel for more. This is what we do to help you make decisions when you're looking for products like this. This company did send them to me, and I tell you right now, it's a high quality item. You will not be disappointed. It comes with everything you need. Comes with little instructions, give you some ideas. Comes with the tack down, the pins. It was packaged very well. It came in a nice bag, and you won't be dissatisfied. I think it's a great product. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.